ma tħossokx aktar diżabbli, tkun tista' tkompli bħajtek b'mod normali. Din hija l-bidla f'ħajjet Xaj Elias, persuna li kien fl-armata u li tilef riġel wara li poġġa saqajh fuq bomba. Bidla li saret b'intervent li jagħmel ant il-kumpanija Marine Advanced Orthopedic illi inawgurat klinika ġdida f'Malta wara li ilha topera f'dan il-qasam għal 50 sena sħaħ fil-qasam tal-protezi.
You don't feel like disabled anymore. So you can get on with your life. You can have a near normal life. You can go to school, get a job. You have no problems getting in the morning, because one of the main problems with amputees is they think life is over. It doesn't matter what age. And they don't get up in the morning because the prosthesis may be uncomfortable or it's holding them back.
Lil Xaj Elias iltqajna miegħu waqt li ġiet inawgurata klinika fit-Technopark tal-Mosta għal persuni bidrieħ jew riġlejn neqsin u li jkollhom bżonn protezi, jiġifieri ETOC artifiċjali. Il-klinika li hija magħmra bl-aħħar teknoloġija ġiet inawgurata mill-Prim Ministru Joseph Muscat flimkien mal-Ministru għas-Saħħa Chris Fearn. F'diskors tal-okkażjoni il-Prim Ministru esprima sodisfazzjon għal dan l-investiment f'pajjiżna li jservi wkoll ta' għajnuna fl-impenn tal-Gvern b'rabta mat-turiżmu mediku. Min-naħa tiegħu iben is-CEO tal-kumpanija li huwa wkoll Prosthesis fisser kif għażlu li jinvestu f'Malta sabiex tiżdied ukoll il-kura ta' kwalità f'dan il-qasam.
During our one-off vacation, we saw amputees in Malta and we talked with them. And we just heard about the needs for better quality. And we saw on the past the things that they work with the prosthetics and the parts of the prosthetics. And it was very hard for us to see because we saw a lot of patients that sitting on the wheelchairs. And for me as a prosthetics to see somebody sitting on the wheelchair, it's not something that going on my mind because I don't think everybody that he lost his leg or his arm, I think he should have the life that he had before.